ball knobbers have set the whole town ablaze. Go!
Patches, I'm gonna tan your hide.
Chickens! Why those have to be chickens?
Wiley, drop that dynamite or I'll have to shoot.
Go ahead, Marshal. You couldn't hit the broadside of a barn. Ow!
Get after those ball knobbers and stop that fire.
Red Flanders, get back here and put on your pants.
I can't, Sadie. I ain't got no pants no more. The dang ball knobber stole them.
Stole them? What in the city hell would they want with your pants?
They don't call me bugs for nothing. Don't worry, they don't bite. Fudge!
Hurry! The ball knobbers are gonna blow up the bridge!
Get that crate over here.
Don't mess up my new pants, you ornery
Pack them
fool!
bundles under the dresser.
Can't you even tie a ding-dang knot?
Hurry!
What's the matter, Bugs? You chicken?
Watch out, you dang fool! You're gonna fall! Now look at what you done!
Uh-oh, I think I'm stuck. I can't reach.
Ooh, bridge ain't gonna hold. Bye-bye!
Bugs and Patches, we foiled your plot, and now we're using your dynamite to blow up the water tower and put out the fire.
Don't throw that switch! A train's coming that way!
Tower's gonna blow! Fire in the hole! Thank you, heroes. We couldn't have caught those good-for-nothing ball knobbers without you. Give yourselves a big old pat on the back. You deserve it. And it'll also put out any stray sparks. So long.